Hi guys, welcome to Addota Farm. In today's video, I'll be giving you guys secrets on how to start up a pig farm in Nigeria and become a billionaire. And in the end of this video, I'll be giving you guys the list of feed items that you can give to your pig in order for them to grow fast. I'll be highlighting the list of feed items for you guys at the end of this video. So please, if you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Feel free to turn on the notification bell so as to get notified when next we drop a video for you, and do well to comment. So like I said, in today's video I'll be giving you the secrets behind starting up a pig farm in Nigeria to become a billionaire. A lot of people are not going into pig farming. They see pig as one of the farms that is not that lucrative in Nigeria. But I'm here to clarify that statement. Pig farm in Nigeria is a lucrative business. In short, people that endure or that invest their money into this particular farm are making money from it. In short, you can have your business, you can be doing your business, still yet be managing your pig farm. You can manage the two things together. Like I said, if you are doing online business and offline business, that is the way you can manage your pig farm with the job that you are doing. So pig farm is lucrative if only you can have the business idea, make a good house for them, then get the right varieties of pig to keep in your house, then have a pre-knowledge about this pig in case if anything arose in the future, so you can know what and so you can know how to handle it. That is just the simple thing about this pig farm in Nigeria. And you know, there is still room for you to join into this pig farming now, because most people are not going into this pig farming. They feel that it's very difficult for them to take care of this pig. That is one thing. Then secondly, in the things that you need to have a big amount of money or to invest more capital before you can start this pig farming. But to start up a pig farming, you only need few amount of money to start up this pig farming. So I will only be giving you like 3 steps, things that you need to know about this pig. Like number 1, if you want to start this pig farming, one thing that you need to think is their multiplicity, their reproductions. You know, pig multiply easily more than the goat. Let's say for example, if you have 2 pigs in your farm right now, and with the person that have 4 goats in his farm, you know, the level at which your pig will produce will be more than the level at which the goat will produce. Pig can give birth to up to like 15-18 piglets at once. But why for goats is 3. Even that 3, it will be very difficult for them to manage the 3. So pig can give birth to like 16, 15, 18 thereabouts. So if you calculate it now, with goat, you say that you are going to make more money more than someone that has a goat farm. Although I'm not condemning goat farming, I'm not. Goat farming is lucrative also. So whichever one you go into is lucrative. But I'm telling you that pig farming is lucrative and is a very easy farm, something that you can start with 2 or 1. But why goat? If you want to start a goat farm, you start with like 4, 5, 10. But pig, you can start with 2. You can even start with 1. And give it like 3 years, your farm has multiplied. And second thing is the demand. You know, people are demanding for pork meat right now. They are demanding for pork meat. Pork meat is a pig meat. Why for goat is a chivon. So people are demanding for pork meat. So people are eating it. So that shows that people are eating it. Although the northern part of Nigeria, they don't like eating this pig because due to their religion's belief. So I don't know about that. As for me, I don't give a fucking damn about that. So if you have a pig in your farm, all you just need to do is to take care of them, have a good house for them, have the right varieties of pig, then give them a good feed. You see that your pig will start multiplying. Before you know, your pig will start increasing. So people are demanding for the meat. People are eating the meat a lot. So if you start it, you will make more money from it. And number 3, you don't need to have a big amount of money before you start this farm. But as for goat farming, if you want to start a goat farming in Nigeria, you need to have, a huge amount of capital before you can start goat farming. But as for pig, you can start with 2. So if you use, like, let's say 20,000, 30,000 naira, you can buy 2 pig, female one. So with that, before you know, your pig will start increasing. But why for goat? You can buy one goat around 15,000, because we also have a goat farm, Addota. Like one of my videos, I show Addota goat farm. So we have the goat. So I know the amount of money we spent in that goat farm. So if you have a pig farm, you can, the money you invest into your pig farm is lesser than the money you invest into your goat farm. We are even thinking of starting up something like this also. So I just want to share these ideas with you guys that pig farm is lucrative in Nigeria. And one more thing, people are not going into it now, so there is room for you to join and to increase your farm. Before people will start thinking that, oh, pig farming is lucrative, let me join this, you could have made much money, you could have made more money from your pig farm already. And we have different varieties of pig in Nigeria. We have different varieties of pig. But the most common one in Nigeria is the large white, the large black, the landrace, and the rest. So you can start with these 3 varieties of pig in Nigeria. You can start with the 3. For example, you can start with the 3 because the 3, people are demanding for it a lot. And if you have an exotic breed of pig in your farm, it will assist you also. They will grow fast, they will do well, and they will multiply pig also. So pig farm is a very good business. I can tell you, if you join or if you start a pig farm, it's a very good business. But you need to have the business idea, have a basic or pre-knowledge about this farm. If you have a basic knowledge about it, it will reduce it will reduce in case anything comes up in the future. You will know how to handle it. But if you don't have anything about it, it will be very difficult. If anything happens, you'll be like, oh, this pig farm is difficult, I can't handle this pig farm again. And pig love waters a lot because they sweat. So because they don't used to sweat, so they need water. They build fat, right? So they need waters a lot, they need places that have water. So during their construction of house, that is when you put that into consideration. You need to construct the house in such a way that there will be water 24/7. People that will be using the water, that will be taking care of them, bathing them, and all sorts of things. The reason why most people don't like this pig is because they think that pig are dirty, because they go into the gutter. Sometimes you'll be seeing some pig in the gutter walking around where they are not supposed to walk. Not that those pigs themselves like what they're doing, but it's because they don't used to sweat, they are building up fat, so they need a place to cool their body. So they didn't have choice in walking around this particular part. So if you want yours to be model and to be more beautiful, you need to construct a well-built house for them, keep them, start taking care of them. Before you know, they will increase and they will multiply. So if you think of starting up something like this, please do well to start, because pig farm is a lucrative farm. And if you know nothing about it and you want to know, or you want to buy pig, I can help you with that. And if you want their feed also, I can formulate their feed. I've been working with feed company for like 6 months now, so I've known a lot about chicken feed, goat feed, fish feed, and even this pig feed. There is one man that usually comes to our works to formulate their feed. So we used to formulate the pig feed. In fact, the man has an exotic breed of pig, so he's selling one at the rate of 15,000. So you see, pig is lucrative. And so someone that has a pig farm with someone that has a goat farm, you cannot compare the both together. You cannot, because when your pig gives birth to like 15 and your goat is giving birth to like 2 or 3, so before you meet up with the amount that you spend in your goat farm, you have already make your money from your pig and some other extra money on top of it. So pig farm is lucrative. And like I said, at the end of this video, I'll be giving you the list of feed that you can give to your pig in order for them to grow very fast. Number 1 of them is GNC. Pig love GNC a lot. If you give GNC to your pig will grow very fast. Number 2 of them is wheat. You combine wheat to it. You can give them fish oil. We have a fish oil. This particular fish oil, if you add it to the GNC, to the wheat and the corn brown, you will discover that your pig will grow and they will look beautiful. They will grow very fast because this is what they love eating a lot. They love eating it a lot. So if you combine these few things together, you see that they will grow. And in one of my videos, I will try in as much as possible to give you guys the name of feed that you can give to your pig to reduce their fat. You know, the reason why people doesn't like eating pig is because of the fat, right? So you can even produce the feed that will reduce their fat also, that will reduce the fat. So in one of my videos, I'll give you guys the name of the feed or what you can do to reduce the fat in your pig. So please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so as to get notified when next we drop a new video for you. Please like this video and share. Bye bye.